Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home and outdoor products. Today, we're talking about the CasterMaster non-slip furniture pads, the best patio furniture leg protectors on the market. If you've been struggling with furniture sliding around on your hardwood floors or tile, these rubber feet are a game changer. The CasterMaster non-slip furniture pads are designed to protect your floors from scratches and scuffs while ensuring your furniture stays in place. Whether you're moving your furniture indoors or outdoors, these caster cups provide unbeatable protection. They're made of high-quality rubber that grips the floor, preventing your furniture from sliding, even in homes with active kids or pets. What's great about these furniture pads is their versatility. They come in various sizes, from 2x2-inch pads to larger 4x4-inch ones, making them perfect for different types of furniture. Whether it's your couch, bed, table, or even your piano, these pads fit perfectly under furniture legs, providing the necessary support while preventing floor damage. Another impressive feature is their noise reduction ability. If you've ever had to endure the constant scraping of furniture against your floor, you know how annoying it can be. With CasterMaster's non-slip furniture pads, you can finally enjoy peace and quiet while moving your furniture. These pads aren't just for indoor use. You can also use them outside, on your patio or deck, making them the perfect solution for outdoor furniture as well. The durable rubber material is built to withstand the elements, so you don't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. They're easy to apply, simply place them under the legs of your furniture, and you're good to go. And of course, CasterMaster has designed these caster cups to be highly durable, ensuring they will last for years. The rubber construction is strong enough to hold large, heavy pieces of furniture securely in place, offering long-lasting floor protection. So, whether you're looking to protect your hardwood floors, tile, or even your outdoor patio, the CasterMaster non-slip furniture pads are the ultimate solution. With their versatility, ease of use, and floor protection capabilities, these furniture pads are a must-have for any home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've tried the CasterMaster non-slip furniture pads or if you have any questions about them. Until next time, this is Product Critique, helping you make informed decisions for your home.